Here at the Hope Centre, we desperately need your help this year for our Harvest for Hope campaign. We are really struggling for donations of food. We've got loads of people in Northampton needing your support, and we want you to become part of our campaign. Special for this year, we're asking you to get really involved in following where your food's going to go. What we're asking you to do is to write a message on your cans, on your packets, and stick it on the outside. What you can then do is follow your food all the way through the journey, through Hope, and see where it's going to be used by the people of Northamptonshire.
So we're in the Food Club warehouse. So this is where we store all of the food that we receive that's donated by people like you. So we put it on these shelves and then we take it out again to give to people that can't afford to buy the food from the supermarkets. As you can see behind me, there's lots of empty shelves, and at this time of year our stocks are running really low. So we rely enormously on Harvest Festival, schools and churches particularly donating food to us at this time of the year. And we can refill these shelves, and then we've got great stocks for the rest of the year.
Sent home with you, you're going to get a shopping list. Choose something off that shopping list, anything off that shopping list, and bring it into your harvest. We will then pass it on to people most in need across Northamptonshire. Get your parents and carers to follow the food using the hashtag Harvest for Hope and tag us on social media.